Hey guys, Arpita here. Welcome to Arpita's Kitchen. Today we are making a yummy starter, that is paneer satay. Same as restaurant style. Everyone like this starter so much, so I have shown how to prepare that easily at home with a very minimal ingredients and tasty. If you want to know how to prepare this starter, then keep on watching. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to Arpita's Kitchen and also like this video and share this video. Let's get started with today's video. First, in a bowl I have taken around 2 tablespoons of maida, and I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of cornflour, salt to taste, chili powder around 1/4 tablespoon, ginger garlic paste around half a tablespoon. Give it a good mix and add water in batches and make it a batter. We need the batter to be not very thin or not too thick, so add the water as required and make it a smooth batter as shown. There should not be any lumps in the batter, so make sure there is no lumps and mix nicely. Now you can see the batter has to be in a pouring consistency, so I have added little more water and I am giving a very good mix and my batter is ready. Next, in a separate plate I have taken another 2 tablespoons of maida and 1 tablespoon of cornflour. I'll be adding little of salt for this dry mixture as well and black pepper for flavoring. Using dry and batter mixture to coat the paneer makes it more crispier and more tastier, and the coating will be very nice on top of the paneer. I have taken around 200 grams of paneer and have cut in lengthwise. You can make as thick or as thin as per your requirement. Coat all the paneer cubes in a dry ingredient and keep it aside for 2 to 3 minutes so that all the moist in the paneer is nicely absorbed. Then we will dip it in batter and we will shallow fry it. Making this way will coat the paneer nicely with the batter and it will taste yummy and crispier. Now I have taken a kadai and I have added around 4 tablespoons of oil. I'll just take the paneer, dip it in our batter and I'll shallow fry this for 3 to 4 minutes until the paneer is crisp enough. Just add the paneer, fry on one side for 2 minutes and flip it over and fry it for another 2 minutes. No need to deep fry this as the paneer will cook very fast. Shallow fry is best option for here. Once all the paneer is nicely turned into golden brown, just take it to a bowl and my paneer are ready. I have taken a toothpick and I'll just insert it in the paneer to make it look nice and we can serve it better way. Now we will prepare our sauce. For that I have taken a kadai and I am adding around 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is hot enough, we will add nicely chopped garlic. I have taken 2 to 3 garlic here and have nicely chopped, and around 1 small onion nicely chopped. Saute this for 1 minute or so until my garlic and onion is transparent enough and it is crunchy. Don't make the onion brown, it will change the taste of the sauce. Now I am adding around 2 tablespoons of Schezwan chutney. This is a homemade Schezwan chutney. If you want to know how to prepare, comment below. I'll just make a video for that. Add around 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar and 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. I have not added any extra salt here as all the sauce contain salt, and the Schezwan chutney what I have added salt for that as well, so no need to add extra salt. Just add a pinch of sugar to balance out all the spiciness, and our final and main ingredient, peanuts. I have roasted the peanuts, removed the skin and I have crushed it. Add around 3 to 4 tablespoons of crushed peanuts. Mix everything together and cook this for 1 minute. Finally, to make the sauce little bit thick and all the ingredients come together, I am taking around half a tablespoon of cornflour in a bowl, and I am adding water and making a slurry, and add the slurry to the mixture. Once we add the cornflour, our sauce becomes very thick. So add the paneer cubes what we have prepared so that it gets absorbed in the sauce and the sauce is nicely coated on the paneer. Give it a very good mix so that the sauce is nicely coated on the paneer. As you can see, it's looking yummy and it is ready to serve hot. Now my paneer satay is ready to serve. Hope you have enjoyed my video. If so, please like this video and comment below if you have tried. Thank you so much for watching this video. Love you all. See you in my next video. Bye.